Hello everyone, myself Ruchika, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, 6M CSE. Today I am here to discuss about operators in Django. Coming to the introduction to operators in Django. Django is a powerful framework for building web applications. It offers a wide range of features and tools, including a powerful template language. One of the key features of this template language is the ability to use operators to perform comparisons and logical operations. The first operator we're going to discuss is the in operator. The in operator checks if a value exists within a collection of items. First one is checking for inclusion. It checks if it is a versatile tool for working within the data and condition logic. It allows you to make decisions based on the presence of a value within a collection. So let's understand more about the in operator. The in operator in the Django template language is a powerful tool for checking if a value exists within a collection of items. It allows you to make complex comparisons and build sophisticated conditional logic into your templates. The in operator can be used to check if a specific value is present in a list, tuple, set, or other iterable data structure. It is particularly successful for implementing dynamic filters and searching functionally in your web application. The in operator can also be combined with other logical operators like NOT to create more complex expressions. Next coming to example, checking if a value is in a list. The in operator is used to check if a value is present in a list. For example, the code is if apple in fruits. So the output we may get as if the apple is present in the list, we get true if apple is in the fruits list. Else the statement will be false. Coming to the not in operator. The not in operator determines if a value is not present in a collection. Coming to the conditional logic, it allows you to execute different code blocks based on the absence of the value and filtering the data. The operator can be used to exclude specific values from a data set. Coming to the not in operator briefly, the not in operator is the opposite of in operator. It checks if a value is not present within a collection of items. This allows you to create more complex conditional logic in your Django template, enabling you to make decisions based on the absence of the value. The not in operator is particularly useful when you need to check if a specific item is not a part of the list, set, or other data structure. This can be come in handy when you want to perform actions or display content based on the exclusion of the certain values. Coming to the example, checking if a value is not in a list. Not in operator checks if a value is absent from a list. For example, if banana not in fruits, then if we already give a condition that banana is not in the fruit list, the output will be true if it is not present. Else it will be false if the banana is present in the fruit list. Coming to the is operator. The is operator compares objects to determine if they are the same objects as object identity. It is used to verify that two variable points to the same object in the memory, distinct from equality. While the is operator checks the object identity, the equal to operator checks for equality in values. Coming to the is operator in Python, this operator compares object identity, not just value equality. It checks if two value points of the same object in the memory rather than just having the same value. This is distinct from equal operator, which checks if the value of the two objects are equal. The is operator is useful for advanced debugging and when work with complex data structure. It can be used to identify unique instances of objects such as singletons or cached objects. Understanding object identity with the is operator. The is operator in Python is a powerful tool for comparing objects and checking their identity rather than just their values. Unlike the equal operator, which checks the equality of values, the is operator determines if two variables refer to the exact same object in the memory. If coming to the code, if fruit A is fruit B, like we are comparing two objects. So here in this operator, the output will be true if fruit A and fruit B refers to same object, or else it will be false. This can be useful for advanced debugging, identifying unique instances of object, and working with a complex data structure where identity is important. Coming to the is not operator. The is not operator is the opposite of is operator. It checks if two objects are not same. Object distinction. It is used to verify that the two variables point to different objects in the memory. Logical negation. It effectively reverses the outcome of the is operator. Coming to the is not operator, it is a the is not operator is the logically opposite of the is operator. While the is operator checks if two objects are same, the is not operator determines if the two objects are distinct and point to different objects in the memory. They both function oppositely. The is not operator operate is useful for verifying that two variables refer to different objects rather than checking if their values are different. This can be particularly helpful when working with complex data structure or instance of objects where object identity is more important than just value equality. When used in conditional statement, the is not operator allows you to execute different code paths based on whether the object being compared are distinct. This can enable more advanced logic and processing in your applications. Similar to the is operator, the is not operator is distinct from not equal operator, which checks for value equality rather than object identity. Understanding the difference between these operators can help you write more precise and efficient code. Coming to the conclusions, operators in Django template language provide a powerful way to perform comparison and logical operations. These operators allows you to create dynamic and responsive web applications that adapt to user inputs and the data. Thank you.